with y'all, so I'm good.
Right, so I didn't burn the aileron tanks down, so that's probably why I was getting all squirrely.
No worries. There's 4 of us right here, so...
Put bullets in that one.
I'll be the odd man out. I'm the only one without tanks.
Oh, you kicked them?
Fuck yeah, I kicked them, man. Like, I got all the way in on whatever the fuck, hurricanes, yeah. I just whipped it when they started to extend.
Dude, we were at like 19.5. I have to check my film, but they were high as fuck, weren't they?
No,
Yeah,
man, like, they looked almost level to me, because, like, yeah, you were ahead of me. I was right behind you. I don't know where Trout was. Probably in between, but they looked level with me, but I might have been a tad bit higher than you guys. Maybe.
Yeah, I was about 19.5, I think. And by the time they came through, they were co-out.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I was 19. I'm gonna shoot him. It can't go vertical with you. Stay vertical.
Yeah, keep roping. We could use a lot of good picking over here if you guys want to come get some. So I still got bullets. Could try to find a shot.
Here is just over 34. Oh, copy. You guys are way behind us.
Where's the bullet
Good luck,
counter?
fellas. Stay together. Low left.
Got bullets in that one.
Yeah, there you go. Don't even got a cycle to drop those fuckers.
Hey, D'Lo, how many times have you watched the Apache video
Which one?
for DCS?
Oh man, I've seen it. I watched it last night, and it was my first time seeing it. It was pretty dope. It was pretty dope.
Right?
How'd you know I watched it?
I just know, man.
Did I send it to you? I almost sent it to you. Like no shit. Got
Like,
one smoking. Yeah. Smoking me, motherfucker. Way to go. Way to go. Get out safe, fellas.
I put it on the Discord.
Okay, that might be how I fucking okay. Got you. Hey man, that looks pretty sick.
They're pulling us. They're pulling
I've
us
been
low
knowing
over
DCS
one of
a
their
lot,
fields.
man.
So watch them.
Clear
Oh,
smart,
they're
fellas.
dark, they're dark.
What's up?
Did we want to hit their DAR ring and start them flashing?
Oh, we're headed straight to that city area.
Roger.
We're supposed to sweep it.
You guys
We
want
push
me to
him
push your
down into
head?
the
I think I'm
act?
a little faster than y'all. Do you want me to just hang in?
I lost them all.
They all went low.
Let them stay down there, fellas.
How many did you
Yeah, I
get?
agree.
We shot up
No,
2 or 3 of them out of 4 or
Put
5
rounds on
of them.
3 of them.
Hey, man.
That's
Got
pretty
one
good.
smoking.
That's 4
He's out of the
hurricanes.
fight.
Look at it like this, y'all.
guys
That's 4
got it.
hurricanes. 4 hurricanes that ain't attacking our bombers now.
Fact. You guys
Their
spread your
bombers came
seed
in
and
from
let
the
them
right.
loose.
Our bombers came in from the right. They should be over by 36 right now.
Well, we pushed these guys all the way down to 24. Or 34, excuse me. I still got some bullets.
Yeah, they'll be out of it.
That worked good. Good wingman tactics,
Come on,
Little
Mac.
Mac.
Yeah, good job, Rebel.
Yeah, we were rope and doping that shit, baby.
got
Funny how
Con.
well that works, isn't it?
Con,
Con dead ahead.
Viz. Going right. P40,
P40.
P40. I'm light, I'm going high. I'll get him working. He's turning towards me. Pass under. Going right.
Just keep
Up
pulling them
behind.
up. Just keep pulling them
You
up.
guys
They
keep
run
going
out
if
of
you need
steam.
to. I'll fuck with him. Yep, I'm behind him. You guys keep going. I'm around behind them, looking. Yeah, I'll keep them honest. Get back to you guys.